Dum-dum. Dum-dum, orange noir, center, circle, and we'll start. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, 2, 3, 4 to the center, 7, 8. Right cha-cha, left cha-cha. Open, cross, and turn. Open, cross, and turn. Open, cross, and turn, back, down, and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, 2, back, inside, cha-cha, cha-cha, open, turn, open, cross and turn, open, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now we start part 1. Right, left, up, back, and forward, forward, and back, and right. 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right cha-cha, and left cha-cha, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. To the right or to the left. And right cha-cha, turn, left, turn, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. The second part, sit and up and cha-cha-cha, turn, heel, 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 heel. Again, sit, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha, and turn, heel, heel. On the line, stop, 2, 3, 4. Okay? After the heel, right, left. And then we have the chorus again like 1, 2, 3, hop, 1, 2, 3, hop, and 1 and 2, without turn. Again, 1, 2, 3, hop, 1, 2, 3, hop, and 1 and 2. And then we start with the first part. Thank you.